I have some exciting news to share with you. I just launched my new website redesign. Yay! Now I know I have a confetti button somewhere. Whoa! It's been 6 years since I redesigned my website and logo. Gosh, I can't believe it's been so long. So needless to say, it needed a little TLC. Now it has a fresh, modern look and feel, and I'm so excited. I redesigned it with your input and feedback in mind. I appreciate all those who reached out to me for suggested improvements. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I wanted to highlight a few major updates. You can now easily find the search feature at the top of the navigation bar. It's so simple now. There's no need to scroll to the bottom to find it. The homepage has been completely overhauled to show you the most popular sections of the website. Plus, now I can frequently go in and update the website to show seasonal content. One of the most requested features was the ability to save recipes. I definitely heard you, and I'm happy to say you can now do it. You'll notice now that every recipe and article has a heart icon and Save to Favorites button. To use it, all you have to do is create a free account and you'll have the ability to save your favorite stuff. So if you haven't already, head over to jessicagavin.com and check out the new design for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, or feel free to shoot me an email at jessica@jessicagavin.com. Thank you for your interest in my recipes and for all those wonderful comments that I've received over the years. You encourage me to keep creating and try new things. Oh yeah, and since you're here, I've been creating a lot of new video content lately, so make sure you subscribe right here. And if you want to see the latest recipe videos, check them out right here. I hope you enjoy.